Good Tuesday morning, Cornerstone. It's Mrs. Pacheco, and I'm super excited for this drawing. We are going to be drawing a dragon today. So we're going to start in the center. We're going to come down and around like we're drawing an oval, but then we're going to leave it open at the top. Next, we're going to touch the left side and go up and over with that rainbow shape for the top of our dragon's head. Next, we're going to do a little oval for his mouth and two smaller ovals for our dragon's eyes. For our dragon's nostrils, we're going to do two ovals, but these ones we're not going to color them in. We're going to leave them empty in the middle. We're going to go up to the top of his head and we're going to draw two little horns for our dragon horns. The next step is to go on the right side and draw a line out. Then we're going to take and do a wavy line from the tip of that line down to the side of his head. And we're going to do the same thing on the left side. Draw that line, touch the end of that line, and bring a wavy line back towards the side of the head. Now, this part might seem a little tricky, but I know you guys can do it. We're going to come down and around like the shape of a pear and then stop. And at the bottom of that line, we're going to draw a oval. Now this is going to be, our dragon is sitting down. Now we're going to go on the right side, go down and around like a pear, all the way to that oval. That is his pear-shaped body. So now we're going to go in between and go down, scoop down, and then come back up. This will be for our dragon's arm. We're going to do a little line connecting the arm to the bottom of the foot, and then a little curved line right over the top of the foot. Now remember guys, if this is too fast, we're going to be able to pause it and keep on going. On the top of our foot, we're just going to do 4 little lines. Then we're going to move to the right side and do an oval that is connected to the side of the body. So it's just part of an oval. And we're going to do the inside of the foot as well. Good job. Do the 4 lines on top. Now we're going to come to the side and draw the arm that's on the other side of the body. Just come down and then go back towards his body. So let's do the detail in his belly. We're just going to draw curved lines all the way down. This is going to give our dragon's belly some texture. He's starting to come together. Just make them all the way down from the top to the bottom. Now on the back side, we're going to go down and towards the back of his body. Our dragon needs a tail. And then we're going to do 2 lines to make a nice thick tail right there. We're going to go in now up his back, and we'll also be doing this along his tail. And we're going to go up and back and draw some detail along his back and along the top of his tail. Now when you do his tail, they're going to be the same thing, just a little bit smaller. There you go. All right, so now we're going to go to the side, and I did it about the first line in his belly. Do a straight line out. We're going to do a little curved line, and then we're going to connect the little curved line end to the body with 3 rainbow shapes. So 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to go to the bottom of those rainbow shapes, and we're going to draw straight lines up to the tip of the wing. So from the bottom right to the tip and right to the top. There's 1 wing. The next step is to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to bring a line out. Then we're going to go to the top and do the little curved line here. And we're going to do that same exact thing on the bottom with the 3 rainbow shapes. 1, 2, 3. And then don't forget the detail in that wing. So connect the bottom of those rainbow shapes again to the top of your wing. And to the top. Very cute. All right, so I'm going to add my horizon line in here. So my dragon is grounded, sitting on the ground. The great thing now is you guys can decide what you want in your sky. I'm going to add some clouds in my sky today. Make sure if you do clouds, you keep them nice and fluffy on top and then make them a little bit flatter along the bottom. You guys can make your sky day. You guys can make your sky have a rainbow, a castle in the background. This is just some detail in the sky. So I'm going to do 2 clouds, and then I'm going to add a moon peeking out from behind that cloud. So I'm going to make it nighttime. So now guys, I'm going to pull out my colors. I'm going to add detail. You guys can do your dragon any color you want. Use your imagination. Make it amazing. Add the night sky, add some stars, or make it daytime with a castle in the background.